Hi guys, so let's make my morning coffee. So we're gonna need 2 teaspoons of sugar. If you don't like sugar in your coffee, it's fine. 1 teaspoon of coffee. I'm using Dormans, and then we're gonna put about 4 teaspoons. Oh, let's call that 2, 3. Okay, that's enough. Just enough. Okay, so the essence is to put enough to dissolve your coffee, and also it shouldn't be warm, like hot. It should be warm, not to burn your coffee. So I'm gonna put this in the microwave to be hot. So here is our hot milk. So we're gonna use this gadget to froth it up. That's good enough. I don't need too much froth. And then we're just gonna pour it in. I'm gonna take all the goodness into my cup. And you're welcome. You stir it to combine everything. It's really good. Okay. So here is my perfect coffee.